Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload an image to Qwen AI and use its powerful AI to analyze or respond to image. First, open up the Qwen app and make sure you are logged in into your account. On the chat interface, look for the image icon, usually next to the text box. Click on it and a file picker will appear. Now select the image you want to upload from your device. Once the image is uploaded, you can type a question or instruction like describe this image, summarize the text in this screenshot, or what happens in this picture. Hit enter or click the send button. Qwen will process the image and give you a smart response based on what it's seen. And boom, your image is analyzed in seconds. And that's it. You have just uploaded an image and used Qwen AI visual understanding powers. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.